Welcome to our video on how to change the mode that your XFlow panel is set to. This video specifically explains changing the system from high mode to low mode. The high and low modes are generally used when a property goes from being in occupied high mode to lower occupation low mode. This may still allow some water usage for cleaning and maintenance. If the panel is currently in high mode, press the left-hand button until you see R-high. Press the middle button until you see R-low. Then press the right-hand button to save the settings. You can also use the same process to change the panel back to high occupancy when the time is right, or to put the system into override if you are going to be using water extensively for a short period. You will then need to use the left-hand button to toggle back until you see the valve 1 open. Thank you for watching this video. Further videos are available on our YouTube channel and support via our website at www.leaksafe.com.